Didn't you just read the service manual? Yep. No go.
So like I said, the fuel pump doesn't work.
Just hit it with a wire wheel.
Welcome back to Great Basin Garage. Thank you for joining us. Rick has had a 1987 Audi 5000?
Yes.
CS.
At least 5,000.
Dropped off at our facility here because he has this crazy ambition to do a overland build with it. And we don't know what decade it ran in last. It doesn't run. And this one is turbo, so that makes it immediately cool.
Yep.
So, judging it doesn't run, I think we're gonna need to grab the forklift and pull it inside. This forklift meets OSHA regulations, as you can tell. The horn works great. What do you mean there's no brakes?
That one goes to the floor.
Okay, so the pedal goes to the floor. That's desirable. So luckily it's got plastic, so if it hits the forklift, we're good. Works.
You know, we were gonna look underneath anyways, it's fine. Got turbo 5-banger.
Turbo.
You know, it's funny, these guys were really crafty. They ran out of space for the radiator, normally, which goes directly in front of the engine.
Boss, where's the radiator go? Just stick it to the side.
You know, we got this area on the side, let's just put it right there. Do you need any tools for that ignition switch?
You have like a long pair of pliers. Like skinny pair of pliers.
Sure, do you want a duck nose, bill nose, bull nose, cow nose? Okay, stuff's happening.
Okay, we got power.
I heard clicking.
Neutral.
Good check. Woo! The engine's not seized. And everything, this is going to be a tough car. Everything is glued together.
The dash is talking to me. Oh, it went quiet. We're good.
Okay, good. I almost have this vacuum line off.
Oh, good.
And I'm going to put some brake clean in the intake.
Uh-huh.
And hope it doesn't backfire and create a fire.
That'd be fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, try again. It was almost there.
There's no fuel.
What are you talking about? It almost started.
I'm gonna see if we have 5 gallons of gas in the shop.
Okay. Let's see what he finds. Obviously, it is best not to break, strip, or round fasteners off in the first place. That's correct. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. It's not 5 gallons, but it feels maybe like 1.5.
Would you stop for an energy drink?
Oh, I got thirsty, man. It was a big shop, hard to find stuff. Nobody organizes it.
I mean, I was able to get into my training manual about fasteners, but I'm glad we have some fuel.
What did you learn about fasteners? Lefty loosey, righty tighty?
That's pretty much what it says. And don't use excessive force.
Should we grab some of the cheap fuel cleaner and put it in there?
Nah.
Just for funsies?
This car may not even start.
Well, yeah. We're supposed to give it every chance. Drink up, little girl.
You know what?
That's a weird phrase. I don't like that.
You know what's interesting? Is typically when a car's in a junkyard, they actually puncture the fuel tanks to drain the fuel.
We're gonna find out real quick if that happened. Making it late. Should I stop? I'm not gonna stop. I'm just gonna...
Nah, I don't see anything happening down here.
Perfect, because I had the forklift under it.
Wait, 19, 5/8?
I don't know. I wish I could see the tiny boat.
Not that size. This supposed to be my first time using tools because I can't figure out what size it is. Alright, I need another wrench. It still doesn't fit.
Grabbing the right size.
Okay.
You know what? I want you to try 3 more times before you find the right size.
You know what? I'm getting an adjustable wrench.
Just waiting on you, bud.
I'm tired of guessing. Get my adjustable wrench out.
You know, some days we have no idea what we're doing.
How many guys does it take to take a fuel filter off under the hood?
How many adjustable wrenches do you need? Key on? That may have still been the brake clean.
Have you tried setting the choke?
Set it. Okay, let's clear the trunk out and get this pump opened up. What do you think?
So, what I didn't understand is we actually have the trunk pretty clear.
There's
And I
still
think-
a bunch of stuff in the back.
Stuff?
Shit.
I thought you were having a stutter moment.
Trying to be polite.
So the fun part about what I do is exploratory. I've never done a fuel pump on a car like this old. So mainly I'm just kind of taking stuff out and looking for clues. Kind of like a pirate. Arr, matey, where is the treasure hidden? How does this come apart? Oh, it's actually heavier than I expected. Ooh, somebody's been back here. This looks like these pieces here are normally bolted in, and I did not take those bolts out. Huh? That right there is where we gotta get. That's where the fuel pump hides. Definitely, they're coming out not tight.
That's good.
So, that says, as you stated earlier, somebody's been in here. You know what's funny is normally this guy is stuck down and you kind of have to pry it up. The fact that it's been this long and it's not stuck and I didn't pry it up, that means somebody's been here before. Alright. So just in case I didn't make it clear of what I was thinking for what I was saying, because I didn't listen to what I was saying after I was thinking, this is the pressure line.
Like the feed?
Yes. And it was not attached. So, you know what, Jared, let me get your opinion. Let me come take a look at this. Well, we might as well just reach in there and pull it out.
Okay.
Wait.
Just, it's too late. I'm already committed.
Yes, you are. Okay. Let me get this out of your way from stabbing your arm.
Oh, my glove is deteriorating. I can feel it.
I think it's funny you put a glove on, but your elbow's deep in a fuel tank, and the glove only goes to your wrist.
Yeah, well, you know, mistakes have been made. It's cold in here.
So there's got to be fuel in your glove and outside your glove.
How are you supposed to
Didn't you just read the service manual? That's terrible.
I'm not having fun, Rick.
Dude, that thing is eons old.
Wow. Okay, so that is a low
Okay,
pressure
let's-
injection pump.
I mean, the pump may be dead. It looks terrible up here. Smells terrible, but seems how this line's not hooked up. That's a good place to start. We're gonna bench test it though to see if it is actually failed.
Pump is out of the car. It is, with no doubt, the original 40-year-old pump.
Pretty close.
Ooh, that
if
connects.
it was 2027, it would be 40. That's not attached.
I don't think it's supposed to spin. Just found that out. Anyways, we're gonna bench test it. I am pretty sold that this pump is just trash, and that's why the car doesn't run. But Rick really wants to bench test it, so we're gonna bench test it. So
To be fair, I think the pump is fine. The car doesn't run because this fuel line broke off. So now we have to find out who's correct.
you know, if they would have changed the pump when the fuel line broke, sure, maybe. But I feel like this is what the broken fuel line is what parked the car, and then everything else just rotted.
That could be good thing. Think we should fix it, Rick, on it?
Fix it, Rick. Give it your best shot. Put some power to it.
Aye, Captain.
See what happens. You know, it's funny. I can feel the pump rotor trying to move.
Yep. No go.
So, like I said, the fuel pump doesn't work.
Drew's correct. Hey, Don, I'm going to bench press this pump.
Wait, when did Don get here?
I'm here now.
Okay, you got a hold of that thing? Just in case?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Makes spinny whirly noises.
Oh, you know what? It reminds me of a motorcycle we used to have.
So a quick, easy way to hurt your fingers and take that crust off of there Just hit it with a wire wheel.
So, here's our banjo line.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And it has to go on top here.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Maybe if I just keep...
Did you self-solve it?
I may have self-solved. I just...
Sometimes if you just let them talk to themselves, they figure it out. In theory, when we turn the key on,
It's a little varnish smell in here.
Okay.
we should have a fresh supply of fuel with this Frankenstein setup. It's running, kinda.
I mean, it runs.
I don't have a tack signal.
The engine's still moving. I mean, not on all cylinders, but...
It's running, not well when it's on.
It's not smoking, it's doing pretty good.
Ah! It's alive!
He's alive.
There's weird noises!
How's the brakes feeling?
Breaky.
Sounds like there's air in it, doesn't it?
What it's like to do your leg workouts at work.
Is that the clutch? Is everything else in the dash working?
I mean, fuel level doesn't work. The temperature sensor hasn't moved yet, but we just put coolant in it. I got a lot of other flashy thingies, and we haven't driven it, so I don't know what the mile per hour does for odometer.
We made the Audi run, not well, but it runs. We got some stuff to sort out. It's primitive fuel injection and it's upset. It's also been sitting for 2 decades, estimated. But we're gonna clean this up and push it out and get on to the next thing. Thanks for sticking around while we got it on. Always like the video
Subscribe.
and do something else.
Maybe comment.
Comment.
That's really good to say.
Thanks for supporting us, guys. Take care.
I think it's funny you put a glove on, put your elbows deep in a fuel tank, and the glove only goes to your wrist.
Well, you know.
So there's got to be fuel in your glove and outside your glove.